Hey, Plant Pals, this is Mike the Gardener, and today's short video is just going to be on some of the things I'm growing on my experimental shelf, some of the things I'm doing inside for fun. Some of these things will go, and some of the things will stay, and I thought I would just do a quick video of what I'm doing. This is the 2-year-old tomato plant. It's dead. I took it out from underneath the grow lights, and I didn't really take care of it. But I've got like 12 of these plants, so I don't need it at all. And I figured I could use the jar and grow something else. It's not a big deal. This is an orange hat tomato plant. Oops, started touching the light. I gotta move that light up. I'm growing it in this style container. I like trying different style of containers. There's a little gnome and his little campfire inside there. This right here, and be warned, it's gonna be gross. These are tomato seeds. And see that mold on top? Once that gets completely white and dried, I'll know that the seeds inside are ready to go and to be saved. And I'll save them. And those are tomatoes from my garden that I was growing outside. This is a huge monster sage plant in the background that's over here, and you can see it way in the back there. I've not even been really using it that much. I've been, cutting some of the things off. I might let it go to seed, I might not. I'm having fun. This is things to do for my own amusement. This is my experimental shelf. And it's encroaching on a little tomato cutting there. This is some basil. Just one leaf that I stuck in a jar and it's taken off. So do these things. It's fun. Why not? Speaking of the tomato that died, here is one of its cousins, or brethren, I guess you would say, because it's the exact same tomato. This is one of the extra cuttings. I don't know if you remember the video I did on the large deep water culture tub with the AeroGarden heirloom red cherry tomatoes, and I plucked out, I called it AeroGarden Secret because they put extra seeds in every pod so that they guarantee germination. Well, here's one of them. There's another one back there. There's two of them here that aren't as great as that. I have no idea why, but that's the way it goes. That's just an extra cutting. I don't know if that's alive or dead. We'll see. This right here is my strawberry, my spinach strawberry. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if that's going to live or not. There's a bonsai little micro dwarf tomato plant that's just a cutting. It seems to be still alive. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but again, that's what the shelf is for, experiments. These are just little thingies to catch any fungus gnats. I haven't even taken the sticker off yet. Well, there's like one here. There's no friends yet stuck to it. That's my zapper. Every once in a while I'll be sitting there, I'll hear the loud zap, and I know I got one. This was something that died. I yanked that out. I have to replace it. There's another leaf there. This is the same AeroGarden heirloom cherry tomato. This is some kind of pepper plant that grows and then dies and gives me like one pepper, and there's some flowers on it. I don't really take care of it. It's just my experimental shelf for fun. There's another heirloom cherry tomato. There's another cherry tomato. That leaf looks like it's done for. There's my little bug zapper that catches bugs. And then down here, on the very bottom shelf, which is a mess, I've got to clean up. I'm going to put another set of these lights, and I'll do an unboxing of these lights. I'm going to put another set of lights down here, and I'm going to lower this shelf almost to the floor, and I'm going to clean everything off this shelf and organize these cables better. Maybe. I am chaotic. And grow some more stuff down there over the winter time, because that's what I enjoy doing. Alright, that's just a brief look at again, this is my experimental shelf. These are the things I grow for fun. If they live, great. If they don't, I had some fun trying. All right. Any comments, questions? Leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.